The day has finally come. It's moving day. Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the homestead. So today is the big day. We are going to be taking our roosters to the farmer's market and hopefully I can sell them all. So let's go ahead and get them loaded up into the truck and head into town. All right, friends, so we're down here at Tractor Supply and I completely forgot to bring my camera, so I'm using my phone for this. So here is our setup that we have. We've got all the roosters out here, and so 11 total. One of them ended up being a female, so I went ahead and left her at home. And I've got all of my roosters out here. We are the only ones that are set up. So we will see what happens. Hopefully we are able to sell a majority of these roosters. Like I said, they will be going for free to anybody who will take them if I don't sell them, because I'm not taking them home. So we will see. I've got somebody interested in the silky. Fingers crossed she takes them. Sold my first rooster. One of the Buff Orpingtons are gone. Thank goodness. $10. Makes it worth my while coming out. Just sold my second rooster of the day. The Silky and one Buff are gone. Now we'll see who's next. All right, friends, just sold the last 7. They are all going to one home. So they are off and I am done. I'm gonna go ahead and take down and head home and get started on my next project that I have at home. Let's get done here and head on home. All right, that was the last of my roosters heading out. Now it's time to go home and work on our next project. All right, so no, I am not moving, but we are gonna be moving all of the chickens. Roosters are gone. Now it is time to move these 50 baby birds that I got a couple weeks ago and take them down to the big barn where they can get outside in a secure area, eat some grass, and learn how to be some chickens. This is gonna be the hard part. A lot of little babies in here and they're gonna be running all over the place, and I gotta get them caged up so we can take them down there. So let's get in here and start wrangling up some chickens. I was able to catch him in these 2 boxes, which was easier than I thought it was. I really thought I was going to have a hard time because they were just taking off all over the place. But it worked out. I got them all. Let's go ahead and take them down to the big barn. Alright, so here is their new home for the next couple weeks. It's completely covered, so no chickens can get in, no chickens can get out, no predators can get in. We've got a cover over the top of it, so no aerial predators can come in there. But this will allow the chickens to come out. There's a hole right there, and that inside is where they'll be safe at night. During the day, we'll let them come out, roam around, hang out in the grass, eat, get bugs, learn how to be chickens. And once they are big enough, we will let them out to roam with the other chickens, and they'll know that home is inside that barn. So I won't have to worry about them taking off and going somewhere else. They'll know home is the barn and they'll go there every night. Let's go ahead and get them inside. It's already a little bit late to have them roaming around right now. I want them to get used to being in the barn tonight, and then tomorrow morning we'll go ahead and let them out and see how they do. Our one little duck, I like to call him Mr. Ducker Dude. He just follows everybody everywhere. He's the only duck that we got, only one that I want, and I'm pretty sure it's a girl, she just loves to hang out with the chickens, the dogs. She kind of goes wherever. She was actually chasing the dogs yesterday and it was absolutely hilarious. You see the dogs chasing each other and then you see the duck coming right behind them. It was too funny. So let's go ahead and get these chickens inside. Well, I was going to try to let them go in through this way, but the opening is way too small for this crate. I'm afraid they'll fall out onto the floor, and I don't want to have to chase them on the floor in here. So I think I'm going to release them on the inside. There's another door that I can open up and we can put them in that way. So I'm going to go around to the other side of the barn and go ahead and do it that way. And I'll set the camera up over here so maybe you can get a good shot of that happening. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave them in there. I'm gonna go get some food and water to put in there for them, and then we're gonna call it a night because that's all I needed to do for moving day. Got rid of the roosters and moved the babies on over. All right, friends, thanks for hanging out with me today as we took all of our roosters that we didn't want to keep anymore down to the farmer's market, sold them all, and then also came home and moved all of our baby chicks over to the big barn where they will be permanently. So I hope you enjoyed this video, friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.